So you're wondering, do I qualify for first-time home buyer benefits? So qualifying as a first-time home buyer doesn't mean you've never owned a home before. I gotta make sure this is a dry erase pen instead of a Sharpie, because I've done that before. Now, if you're able to qualify for the first-time home buyer qualifications, you could be unlocking lots of benefits toward buying your first home, including no down payment, sloppy handwriting, down payment assistance, grants, and many more. Stick around, we're going to tell you how. So you're normally considered eligible for first-time homebuyer program if you have not owned your home, your primary residence, in the past 3 years. Now, some first-time homebuyer programs are even more lenient. They'll offer financial aid in specific areas targeted for redevelopment, even if you're a repeat buyer. Someone had to join me here for the video. Can you say hi, Ezra? All right, so now some of the benefits of the first-time home buyer programs are, and I had to write them down because I couldn't memorize them all, low or no down payment loans, forgivable loans for closing costs and down payment assistance, and federal tax credits. Somebody's helping me write it. You love your video. You love your videos. Yeah. So you may be wondering, are there income limits to getting qualified for these first-time home buyer benefits? Yes, generally they do. Sometimes they'll even consider your household income, not just your own personal income, but they'll consider your household income, which includes your spouse or your partner and the people that live in the house. So they'll combine all of the incomes. So you may want to make sure that you can qualify for those first-time homebuyer benefits by checking with your local lender to see if your household income is too much for that program. Now, besides the household income limits that some of these programs may have, they could also have debt-to-income ratio limits. You're probably going to need to be under that 50% debt-to-income ratio and be under the income threshold to qualify for some of these first-time homebuyer benefits. So grants or forgivable loans that may not require repayment are available through some of your state and local agencies. Now, these first-time homebuyer forgivable grants and loans will typically be for your low to moderate income families. They'll very likely include your entire household income, and they may have a ceiling or a cap on the purchase price of the home. Now, don't be surprised if these grants or first-time homebuyer programs require the first-time homebuyer to take an online course or maybe a course in person, watching a series of videos to help you understand the home buying process, maintenance on a home, how to keep up a home, paying your bills on time, that sort of stuff. Even if you don't get this grant or first-time homebuyer program loan, it's a great idea to take these first-time homebuyer videos and courses anyways to help you when you are ready to buy your first-time home. So, what are some of the requirements to get approved for some of these first-time homebuyer benefits? There's several types of loans. I'm going to go over some of the basic requirements right now and put them on the whiteboard here for you. Now, one of the first loans you can qualify for is a conventional loan. That is a 3% down payment. To qualify for a conventional loan, you'll need at least, or generally, in general terms, you'll probably need at least a 620 FICO score and a debt-to-income ratio below 50%. Remember, that's conventional loan. That's one type of loan. We're going to move on to an FHA loan right now. So with FHA, and if you want a down payment of about 3.5%, you're going to need a credit score of about 580 or better. The better, the higher FICO score you can get, the better. Oh, the sun's in my eyes right there. Look at that. Now, if you're going to put more down, maybe 10% down, you may be able to get away with a lower credit score, maybe a little bit lower than 580. But general 580 or better to qualify for FHA and 620 or better for conventional. So another, I did not plan that, just so you know, I did not plan that. He's just running all around the house today. Another type of loan, you got conventional, you got VA now, or FHA, now you have a VA loan. VA is backed by Veterans Affairs, so you generally need to be a veteran to apply for those loans. And those require, there's no down payment with a VA loan, and you need at least a 580 or a 620 or better to qualify for a VA loan. All right, so the last loan type we're going to talk about is a USDA. So those are generally suburban type homes out in the county or country with multiple acres, probably one or more acre of land. And those generally will need a 640 or better score to qualify for a USDA loan. Look at that. My stand is moving. Somebody's moving my stand all around. All right, so that's a quick video there on the first-time home buyer benefits. Remember, check with a local lender to get more specific details. That's just a quick video generally of the first-time home buyer benefits and grants that are out there, types of loans. So talk to your local lender, talk to a local expert on those types of loans, and we'll see you on the next video. Say see ya, say bye-bye, Ezra.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.